YouTube, welcome back. This is Chi with Raleigh Kitchens. I'm going to do another review of another rice cooker that I recently bought for my mother-in-law. This is a Zojirushi NP-HCC18. So let's go on with it. Here's the package here. It came nicely packaged. And I bought this from Amazon. So let's open up right here. First thing we have, yes, nice cardboard to make sure it's secure and safe. We have some instructions manual. Looks like we have English, Vietnamese, we also have Chinese, and I think we also have Spanish and Korean here. The cool thing I really like about the instructions, I kind of breezed through it a little bit. It actually has some recipes that you can use to cook. And also the second thing that they have in here, they have a quick start guide. And I'll go over this a little bit about how to quickly start using this thing. First thing we get into, we have a rice scooper. That's enough. Here. Some paper to protect the stainless steel. And here we go. Here is the Zojirushi rice cooker. This is a 10-cup rice cooker. So this is a bigger one than normal that I would usually buy. First thing we have a pressure cup. We have a cup. This is basically for the steam that comes out and collects all the condensation. Put that back here. Thing is, we have a cord. This is not retractable in this one. So, and then what we also have is we come to get inside. Very nice stainless steel, kind of like a bronze. And then it's the induction heating element to it. Open it up. We have stainless steel top, and this is a detachable. Oh, let me try to get this out here. Push up on the hook. This attachment, you take this out and clean it. Very, very convenient. This back, we have a white measuring cup. this is for 1 cup. And it all goes down to 3/4 cup, 1/2 cup, 1/4 cup. We also have a little stand to put on the side for the rice scoop. Back over here. Once we get inside, we have stainless steel. We have a pot. I don't think this is full stainless steel. And compared to the cuckoo, this is a little bit lighter weight. The cuckoo had a full stainless steel that had a X-wall black inside. This one doesn't. It still feels a little bit heavier because of the weight of the cup. This is a 10 cup. And in here, what you see is there's different measurements for white rice, porridge, sushi. You can cook all kinds of stuff in here. Regular rice, soft rice, harder rice, quick rice, mixed rice, sushi, porridge, sweet, brown, and gala rice. Now the cooking time is going to take about probably 30 or 40 minutes. It's a little bit longer than the cuckoo, so about the same as the fuzzy logic. So basically, what you do in a quick start guide that we talked about earlier is basically take a cup, pick up the rice. This is 1 cup here. So if you say if you do 2 cups, and then you come in here and you see the water level. You put 2 cups of rice in here, you wash it, and then you see the water level that you need to fill up to. So that right there is very, very convenient. So let's stick it together. So here's the back of it. Had a couple of vents, but overall it's a pretty sturdy feel. You also have a handle. This is the one thing that I really like about Zojirushi. And this particular model is made in Japan. You can actually set the settings. Say if I want to cook it like 6 in the morning, or if I want to cook it an hour from now, you can do that. So overall, it's a pretty good rice cooker, but not as good as the cuckoo that I reviewed earlier. And that's it. Basically, YouTube, if you like the video, like my page, and follow my link down below. I will have a link to where I bought the rice cooker from. And have a good day. Follow me, like me. Thank you.